Hi guys, it's me again, baby girl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Since napaka-boring na dito sa bahay, I am going to share to you kung paano ko ginagawa ang aking kilay. If you wanna see how I do my brows, please keep on watching.
We need someone to lean on. All we need is somebody to lean on.
Using this ABH in shade Ebony, grab a brush with spoolie. Brush your hair upwards. Now, start filling in your brows in a dahan-dahan motion. Char. Just make sure to follow the original shape of your brows to make it more even. Next thing is to brush your hair downwards. And now, start filling in again the upper part of your brows. Yes, girl. Don't worry, we are going to conceal everything later on. Oops, my god. Do some hair strokes in the front part and brush, brush, brush. Brush mo lang girl sa harap and then blend it all throughout the tail of your brows. Kabilang eyebrows na naman tayo guys. Again, brush your hair upwards and then start filling in the down portion of your brows. My god, lampas. Same instruction pa rin guys. My god, pa-Juliet. Just follow the shape of your brows and then feel lang, feel. Concealer mga besh. Grab a small brush mga besh and start to conceal your feelings to your crush. Char, drama best. Basta, ilinis ang dapat ilinis sa baba. Para pakak na pakak. Just do the same thing on the upper part. Just like that. Guys, take note that I'm not using a white concealer here. It is just because of my lighting that it looks so white. Just use any kind of brow powder. Sundan nyo lang guys kung anong ginagawa ko. And now, gawin nyo ulit sa kabila. Just brush it para mag-set ang pomade na nilagay natin kanina. Highlights is put it in your brow bone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in my next video guys.